Poem 3.1 If. At first, I read the poem, listen carefully. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you and make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with Trump and disturb and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you give your life to broken, and stoop and build him up with worn out tools. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, your is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Rural Kapil. Now, I tell you paraphrase meaning of the poem. If you can think clearly and remain calm, when all people around you are unable to act in a calm or sensible way and blame you for that, or if you can trust yourself when all others doubt you and you can even judge their doubting, not to strictly making allowance for, or if you can wait and not get tired of waiting, or when false things are said about you and you yourself will not tell such lies, or when people hate you and you will not allow yourself to be controlled by hatred, and yet you do not appear to perfect to show up your knowledge, then your is the earth and everything in it, and more than anything else, you will be a real man. Then see the concluding line for this idea. Then if you can dream and not do not be a slave to dreams, means if you can think and not make thoughts your sole aim, or if you can meet with Trump and distance and treat both these deceivers, then because they always pretended to be something else than your real self. So, in the same way as they treat you, or if you can bear to hear the truth spoken by you is falsified by dishonest people, so as to make the fools believe it, or if you can watch those things created by you being broken up and still you can bow down and build them up against using worn out stones, then yours is the earth and everything in it, and more than anything else, you will be a real man. See the concluding lines for this idea. So, in last stanza, if you can talk with the common people and it keep up your high moral standards, means, or if you keep the company of kings and at the same time connect yourself easily with the common people and or if the enemies or your good friends cannot hurt you, or if all people equally important to you and no one is more important than other. So in particular, or if you can make good use of every single minute, means 60 seconds, which is never ready to hear any excuse, unforgiving, without wasting even a single second. And then your is the earth and everything in it, and more than anything else, you will be a real man, my son. This is the meaning of the poem. So we start.